All right, so excuse me. Be part two of the three-part extended version of the valve lash adjusters, and like I said, we're gonna have them all up and good and going by this end of this week. I'll have all three parts. Then I'll have some other short videos on how to do a few things on your town car coming out. Should be coming up soon. So this is the intro. So enjoy this video and have a great day. Thank you for all your comments again. Up, we want to roll above the injectors. Again, get it up above that, slide it straight out. Awesome. Cam cover is out. A little bit of sludge in that one. Not bad. Engine looks good inside though. It's good. Gasket from out. Valve cover gasket. Check my tensioner and my guides. Really, really nice. Yes. Beautiful. Alright. Now, let's zoom in here. The part where you've all come to see. I think I see. I'll start with the middle one because it's the easiest. So, see right there is your right there. Pull that up out of the way. It's your lash adjuster. So my cam is pointing up, meaning that one should be the loosest. So the way we get that out, we're gonna put our pry bar underneath, and we're just gonna go, and he falls off. Boom. That's it. I reach down underneath here and I pull him out. That's our rocker remover. We're going to check him out, make sure there's no play in it. The roller's good, no defects, and everything looks great on this. So I'm going to set him aside. Then we're just going to be able to take our hand, pull the lash adjuster right out, like so. And then I gotta go grab my other lash adjusters and I'll be right back. Alright, we've got our new lash adjusters for this side. And we're gonna just take one. They've been marinating for a while. See the hole there? They should just drop down in. Push down in the hole and they should be sitting the same height as the other one. Now, we put this guy back in. See the valve down there? We're gonna put this guy, these little feet, over the valve first. So push it down over the valve, then pull it around. I dropped it. Just doing it one-handed isn't possible, so I'm gonna put you on the tripod. I'll zoom you in to the best of my abilities. No big promises, but you seen how I put it on there. So let's see. Let's go grab it. of the bottom of my head. I'll sit there on the bottom. Just gotta get my hand on it. I'll have to hold it. I'll use one finger to hold it. Now that we've got it, move it around and it's ready to go on. We just take our screwdriver, stick it in there, pop it right on. Just like so. So I'll show you how I did that here. So while holding it up on there with my other hand, I took my screwdriver and I caught it behind that, just like that, and I just boop, pull it right on there, being careful not to damage the cam. And you can see we didn't. Be careful how you pry on that. And that's all you do. That's how we do the lash adjusters. I'm gonna get the other 8 of these in the other, well, 7 on this side, putting it back up, and then we'll be back with some of the reassembly. Then we will get you there. Oh. These are kind of harder on these older ones. So, go to another one that's easier to see here. Let's zoom out. We got it easier to see right here. So I'm going to take my scraper, jam it underneath. I'll just kind of work it around the edge so it goes pop, and then it's loose. Then we have a hole we can clean. And I've sprayed them down with stuff which helped soften them up, because they were petrified hard. Yeah. So I got a lot more to do, so back at it. Peace. Alright, when getting the gasket in, you want to make sure it's all fully pressed in so it doesn't fall out. And it'll seat in there. And just run it all in with your fingers, like so. And you'll see it like a little out, like here, there's a little bump, press it in, go around, another bump, press it in, work your way around, work your way around. Make sure it's pressed in real snug here. Now, it'll look like this with all of our grommets, and we're just going to slide it into place. So, here we go. This is going to be some adventure stuff here, and there's not really a good way to do this or show it, so here we go. We just pick up our stuff, slide it back, careful to not hit the thing or disturb the gasket. Got it over the... Alright, finally we got the valve cover on, mounting it all back down. So we're gonna start putting the stuff back where it goes. Starting with this guy. You got these little tangs that slide on. Slide those on the 2 studs. And this is going to come back up and over. If you remember, we had that little thing that slipped into. Now I'm going to leave our fuel lines off till we get our coil packs in. But you have this little ground goes on the 13 back here. Follow that back up under. There we go. Well, that's that. That's back. Now, okay. Well, we'll just get them with the regular pliers. Not as convenient as the long ones, but they'll do. I found the screw back here. We're going to take our coil pack. That's how we're going to replace the bearings. Maybe a couple of them here. Maybe. I get my stuff open. There it is. We're just going to put a little bit in there. Okay. Then I'm going to open up my spring assembly. Coil boot slash spring. I'll pull it out. Why they have to tape them together, but they did. O'Reilly's, this is horrible. Please quit taping this. It's really annoying. When you buy these, they have to get them apart. Watch. You see this. Quit taping them together. Alright. So we got a little dielectric grease in the top, kind of just to help prevent corrosion up in there. I'm going to shove my spring in. Make sure my spring is seated in on there. As you can see, it is. I'm not tugging very hard. We don't want to stretch it out. Now we'll put our boot on there. Brand new boot assembly. We'll put a little more, and we'll go right back here into the furthest back hole. Go down in here. Now we just need a screw to hold it in place. We'll plug him in. Now, injector mix. So go ahead and plug these injectors on. Stay in here. Good. All clicked in. Now, well, that's cool. Next coil pack's one of the best match yellow ones, but coil pack for these guys. Just gonna pop that spring out. Check our contact there, make sure it looks good. Sometimes they'll get to where they don't look good. I feel comfortable using it. So I'm gonna pull that out. I'm gonna slice that out. We'll get this. Let's see, it left residue on the spring. This, I mean, it gets hot. Again, our electrode in there looks, I don't know if you can see it, but pretty good. Pretty good. Now I'm going to put a little, just a hair of electric grease in there. Shove my spring in again. Make sure it's fully seated. Alright. Make sure it's on there good. Then we're going to pop our coil pack in. And I'm going to put a little dielectric grease in the end too. And I'm going to shove it. Helps if I pull all the boots out. So, you're not carded like I am. Just pull all the rubber boots out before you. Oh, come on now. Ooh, that's in there. Holy shit. That really was in there. Oh, howdy. Man, take our new boot, coil pack, slap it down on there. Pull these out. Cut up a little bit of Hey. And there's our other boot. And we'll do our next one. So, rather than make you watch this, I'm going to take them all apart, put them all in. I mean, same thing, checking, new boot, dielectric grease in the hole. And I'll come back when they're all in. And we'll step to the next parts of this project here. See you in a bit. Alright, so this is going to be the end of part 2 of 3 parts of the complete long version of the valve lash adjusters. It's going to include all the disassembly and everything else. You know, if you like it, please give it a thumb up. If you didn't like it, thumb down. Appreciate all your comments, good or bad. Hey, you have a wonderful day. Thank you.